Hello and welcome to On the Computers. Today we will be installing the software that was bundled with the 2006 BT Home Hub. Let's get started. First step, we need to insert the disk into the CD tray. Let's see if the autoplay will work today. Not looking like it. It's okay, we have plan B. Using my computer, let's quickly open that up. Right-click and you guessed it. Select Autoplay. Just pretend you never saw that bit. Now you will see this error prompt that strangely resolves itself every time. Let's just select Install. Instant fix. Another next is now required.
Please ensure the sound on your computer is turned up, and if you have speakers, that they are attached and switched on. To begin, please click Continue.
Next is this prompt regarding the pre-connection check. I will give you guys a moment to read all the text. All my lights actually are green, so we will check this box and click on Next once again. I wonder if that number and web address are still valid after 17 years? Next. Checking for a connection, which I am surprised it can still find. Success. Next. A bit more reading before we need another next.
To connect the BT Home Hub to your computer using Ethernet, please follow these steps. Plug the yellow Ethernet cable into a socket or port marked Ethernet 1 on the hub. Plug the other end of the cable into the Ethernet socket on the back of your computer. This socket may be marked LAN or with the Ethernet symbol, which looks like this. Wait for the data light on the front of the hub to turn steady green, which shows that the connection has been completed. If you are confident you can now connect the hub to your computer, please do so. Once you have completed the connection, please click Next to continue.
Are we feeling confident? I think so. Next. Time for some more suspiciously fast wizardry. Are we ready? Right. Let's go. A nice round 10 seconds. Next. Another connection test. Here we are supposed to fill out our BT customer details. But given it was 17 years ago, I don't think we will be getting them in the post anytime soon. Luckily, we can just put in any random details and it will accept them. A random slab of letters is also acceptable for the password. Next. I will once again give a few moments to read all the text. Now time for the actual installation. I will time-lapse this with some BT hold music. And that's it. Join us next time where we take a look at what we just installed.